Welcome to KSOI's Academy, and now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 27 September 2021. Beijing Lasha Key Road Link connected. So, China completed a key section of Beijing Lasha Expressway, a 295-kilometer stretch from Lasha to Nagpur. And this section is located at an altitude of 4,500 meters above sea level. And Kyodura Pass ke Durga Public Liberation Army వాళ్ళు surveillance equipment ఇంకా cameras ని కూడా set చేశారు. And this section is a part of G6 Beijing Lasha Expressway, and it is first expressway linking Lasha, the capital of Tibet Autonomous Region, to the North Tibet. And the PLA Central Public Liberation Army Central Theatre Command ni Western Theatre Command తో కూడా connect చేస్తుంది, which is the border with India, which is responsible for the border with India. And June lo China ఒక high speed bullet train ని launch చేశారు. It connects Lasha with Ningxi, a strategically located Tibetan town which is close to Arunachal Pradesh. Government Industry Panel drafts policy to revive manufacturing. The Steering Committee for Local Value Addition, Manufacturing and Exports, or SCALE, has been set up. So, e group 17 sectors ki work చేస్తుంది ideas పైన, including toys, textiles, furniture, e-cycles, drones, and also even fisheries. ఈ grouping ki deadlines, drafts ఇంకా voluminous reports ఉండవు. This grouping tries to align different fractions of industries, ఏవైతే different agendas ఉంటాయో industries ని align చేయడానికి try చేస్తుంది at multiple levels, and it also tries to nurture an alignment of interest where differences seem intractable. And the panel's ideas for other uninteresting sectors like fisheries, TVs are also at advanced stages of deliberations within the government. So, a group of ministers set up to rationalize GST rates. So, GST అనేది it's goods and service tax. It's a value-added tax, and the goods and services which is sold for domestic purposes మీద levy చేస్తాము. And 101 constitutional amendment ద్వారా GST ని constitute చేస్తాం. And GST is levied at central GST, state GST, and integrated GST. And GST Council అనేది Article 279A ద్వారా constitute చేస్తాం, and it is chaired by Union Finance Minister. The government has tasked a group of ministers led by Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj S. Bommai with proposing to rationalize of tax rates and consider the merger of different tax slabs within 2 months. So, present GST regime 5 broad tax rates ఉన్నాయి, which are 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%, with a cess levied over and above the 28% on some goods, and special rates for items like precious stones and diamonds. The a group of ministries shall review the current tax slab rates and recommend changes in the same as may be needed. So, ఈ slab rates ni review చేసి changes ni recommend చేయమన్నారు to garner required sources and to review the current rate slab structure of GST, including special rates, and recommend rationalization measures, including merger of rate slabs required for a simpler rate structure in GST. Proportion of all cancer cases higher in men. So, Indian Council of Medical Research వాళ్ళ clinicopathology profile of cancers in India, which is a report of the hospital-based cancer registries 2021, note చేసింది ఏంటంటే women లో కంటే కూడా men లో cancer యొక్క proportion ఎక్కువ ఉందని, which is 52.4% when compared to 47.4% in women. In women, gynecological cancers, including breast cancer, comprised over half of all cancers. So, gynecological cancers are 50% in women law. And childhood cancers constitute of 79% of all cancers. The report also said that cancers of head and neck regions accounted for nearly 1/3, that is 31.2% of all cancers among men. And the highest proportion of cancers from all sites was reported in 45 to 64 years age group. ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఫర్ ప్రాస్టేట్ క్యాన్సర్ మాత్రం 65 ఇయర్స్ పైన ఉన్న వాళ్ళకే ఎక్కువ వచ్చింది. అండ్ రిలేటివ్ ప్రపోర్షన్ ఆఫ్ సైట్ స్పెసిఫిక్ క్యాన్సర్స్ కూడా విమెన్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే మెన్లోనే ఎక్కువ ఉంది, ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఫర్ థైరాయిడ్ క్యాన్సర్ అండ్ గాల్ బ్లాడర్ క్యాన్సర్. Chemotherapy was the most typical treatment modality for many cancers, regardless of the clinical extent of the disease. And report ఏం నోట్ చేసిందంటే origin site, regardless of the origin site and the clinical extent, most cancer patients were initiated on cancer directed treatment within 8 to 30 days of diagnosis. Thank you.